Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix PowerShell causing high CPU usage in Windows 11 or 10. So to resolve this problem you can use these two methods. First one, click on start, type here cmd, right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Type sfc space / scan now. So type this first command line and complete this scanning. Once this scanning complete, close it and again click on start and again open cmd. Run as administrator. Now this time copy and paste this command line I will give in description, then press enter and complete this scanning. So once this scanning will complete, close and restart your PC or laptop. Hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve PowerShell causing high CPU usage in Windows 11 or 10. Thanks for watching and please comment this method work for you or not.